Hi, I'm food scientist nutritionist Mary Therese Racanelli for GOYA Foods. For this spring and Easter season, I'm here to show you how you can make a quick, delicious MyPlate side dish that's low in sodium and high in nutrition and flavor. MyPlate recipes in the MyPlate visual tool are designed to help people with portion control, lower sodium, sugar, and fats, while including fruits and vegetables into the daily diet, like beans, which have been shown to be helpful for blood pressure, blood sugar, and weight management. GOYA Foods has 2 MyPlate cookbooks and more MyPlate recipes on their website to help you make healthier choices. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare the GOYA MyPlate Caribbean red bean salad. This recipe is perfect for any holiday when you want something that looks great, tastes great, and quick to save you time in the kitchen. It's gluten-free, an excellent source of fiber, vitamin A and C, plus a good source of protein and iron. For better health and weight, use low-sodium products and drain and rinse canned foods to help wash away about 20 to 40% of the sodium. We start with a 6-ounce bag of pre-washed baby spinach set aside in a large bowl. Baby spinach is lighter in taste than large leaf spinach, so it's even better for kids' palates. In a medium-sized bowl, place a half teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a teaspoon of lime juice and a 1/4 teaspoon of adobo light. Using a whisk, slowly drizzle in a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and whisk until combined. Then add the low-sodium red beans and the chopped red onion and a tablespoon of fresh chopped cilantro and gently mix it all well. Then pour the mixture over the baby spinach and mix it well. And here's the finished dish. It's so easy to prepare. To make this a complete MyPlate meal, serve this along with 1 serving of grilled meat, fish, or poultry, a serving of grain, fruit, and a serving of low-fat milk of choice. For this and other delicious GOYA MyPlate recipes, go to GOYA.com and click on the Nutrition tab. And remember, if it's GOYA, it has to be good.
This cooking segment is sponsored by GOYA. If it's GOYA, it has to be good.